Tai, which is where you get a lot of the resorts. Pretty standard.
Can I have this one and not die?
It's a Mai Tai.
A special Mai Tai is like, okay, well, Princess Mai Tais. It's very Mai Tai-y. A lot of rum and fruit. 3 out of 5 plus. And this margarita, which looks like a pretty nondescript margarita. They spoil you here with all these different margaritas and they give you a regular one and it's like, okay. Not bad. It's a little heavy on the sweet sour mix, but I've had worse. 3 out of 5.
Now we have the Sunrise Margarita. Margarita-y. It's actually really good. It doesn't have like a lot of crazy flavors. It just tastes like a regular margarita.